So the question is, on rotating a point charge having a charge of a small q around the charge capital Q in a circle of radius small r, the work done will be. So we have to calculate work done on the charge small q which is rotating around the charge capital Q, and the value of work done is calculated by using this formula, that is work done equal to force dot displacement vector, where r is the displacement vector. So in step 1, draw the diagram. Capital Q is on the center and a small q is rotating around the circle. In step 2, find work done. As work done is equal to F dot dr, F vector dot r vector. So you can write here F mod of r into cos theta. Now, as the direction of force between the charges is in radial direction, because the force between the charges is electrostatic force, and the electrostatic force is always in the direction line joining between the charges, that is in this direction. So the force, either the direction of force is radially outward or radially inward. In this case, the direction of force is radially inward, because radially inward direction will be necessary here for rotating the charge a small q, which provide the centripetal force in this case. Now, as the direction is in the radially inward direction, and the direction of displacement is tangential direction, that is in this direction. So the angle between the force and displacement here is 90 degree, and the value of cos 90 is equal to 0. So the value of work done is equal to 0 here. So third option for this question is correct.